Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the English class of Bharti Boarding School, Class 9. I am Chitrita Mukherjee, your English teacher. Okay, read from 7.
As for music, she explains, it pours in through even part of my body. It tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the xylophone. She can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. By leaning against the drum, she can feel the resonances flowing into her body. On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibrations pass through her bare feet and up her legs.
Okay. Uh, you can find from here that the narrator is observing the whole thing. He has taken interview. In the last paragraph you have seen that she said many things in the interview, that how can she understand others speaking by seeing the lips movement, seeing their eyes and everything. And she also mentioned that the bushy beard person is quite problematic for her, because she can't understand that he is speaking, when because his lips are covered with the beard, and it is quite difficult for her to understand what he is speaking, because he can't see the proper lip movement. And also she notices other thing like eyes expression, face expression and everything. And now the narrator has observed everything, means how she is playing everything. So when she plays the xylophone, she uses sticks, and she can sense the vibration of the sound produced by the xylophone pass through the sticks up into her fingerprints. So that thus she can understand everything. Means I have said you that, means we read it in the paragraph, that she just feels the music with every part of her body, means body and mind. She opens up his mind and other sensation parts, so that she can feel the sensation, the sound and vibration, means that beat and that vibration. And thus she can understand all the music, that how she is playing the music. And that's how she learned all the music, how to play them. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 8.
Not surprisingly, Evelyn delights her audiences. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society prestigious Soloist of the Year award. Says master percussionist James Blades. God, many have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully.
Okay, so as she was a very extraordinary music player, so it is very common that she will get many awards, and one of this was this prestigious award. And now the master, that James Blades, he remarked about her that God may have taken her hearing, but He has given her back something extraordinary. As God has taken the hearing ability of her, but she uh, instead gave her some extraordinary thing, that extraordinary sensation, extraordinary feeling power. What we hear, she feels. Whatever we hear, means we hear sound of the music of the instruments, but she feels them. That is very important, for more deeply than any of us. We She can feel everything, means we also feel music whenever we listen to our favorite music, we actually feel that thing. And maybe you have also seen, few years ago there was a Mahabharat in television. In It was translated in every possible language, in Tamil, in Hindi, in everything. Have you seen that? Okay, so there was a music.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, there was a music. One was title track, and other was the Krishna playing the flute. Have you heard that? Means, have you listened that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can feel that music. I think, means it was very common for every people of our age, that of our age group, means obviously your age group as well. all felt the music very well, means everybody was feeling that music and everybody was giving comment on that particular title track, and also about that Arjun playing Bina, and also that Krishna playing the flute. That was very interesting. Have you heard that? Means have you felt that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here also we are feeling something, but for this person, means this girl, it was every time that she is feeling the music, not only hearing this thing, and she is feeling, she is only feeling, not hearing. Okay, far more deeply than any of us. She could feel it far more deeply than all of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. As she can feel that thing very well, she can express it as well, very well. Okay, Evelyn confesses.
Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. I have just got to work, often harder than classical musicians, but the rewards are enormous. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. Anne Richlin of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go.
Okay, so Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. Means, so we say somebody is alcoholic, too much alcoholic. Means everybody has some uh, means क्या बोलूं, means have attraction on certain things, and she was workaholic. I have just got to work, often harder than classical musicians, but the reward are enormous. So she remarked that she has just go to work often harder than classical musician. The person who are classical singer or classical musician, she works harder than them, but the reward are enormous. Whenever she gets the result of it, it was very good for him, and it was very astonishing for him, for her. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn also gave free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She also used to play music in prisons and hospitals, and she did it absolutely free. She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. She also arranged classes for young musicians. Anne Richlin of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. That person remarked that obviously she is an inspiration and motivation for every deaf children who think that because they are deaf they can't do anything. Okay, so she is a very primary inspiration, or we can say motivation, for every deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. So from her anyone can understand that if they wish to do something, they can obviously do that. Nothing can stop them. Means any physical disability can't stop their aim. Okay, Evelyn.
Evelyn Cleany has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. She had She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped, people who look to her and say, if she can do it, I can. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions.
Okay, so Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. She has brought uh, she has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. So she is obviously a very great motivation, and she is better than other musicians of her age. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped. She was a great inspiration for those handicapped person with physical disability, people who look to her and say, if she can do it, I can. As she was a very great motivation for every people, they also think that if she can do it, she can manage to learn all the musics, we can also learn to do it. And we can at least do something, means that we want, not only music but also something the people with physical disability always think that we can't do this, we can't do that, but it is a great inspiration for them that as she can manage to do everything without hearing, becoming a becoming a musician. So we can also manage to do something, at least something, not like not something great like her, but we can at least manage to do something. I can, and not the least, she can give an enormous pleasure to millions. She has given inspiration as well as pleasure to million people. Okay. So the text is complete here. Thinking about the text, answer this question in a few words or a couple of sentences each. How old was Evelyn? It was done. Answer 2. Who helped her to continue with music? What did he do and say? Name the various places and causes for which Evelyn performs. Can you say this? Seeing from the text?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, question number 2. Name the various
Yes,
places.
yes, yes. Because the first question and the second first question is done, and also the part 1 is also done. I don't know whether you have written it in your copy or not. Have you written it?
No, ma'am. I have written only word meanings.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, Evelyn performed free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She made musical live and performed many regular concerts.
Yes. And young musician, mention that. Okay, you write the answer. I'm
Ma'am,
dictating it. Okay.
okay.
You have copy with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just write. Evelyn,
Evelyn,
with a hectic international schedule, with a hectic
with a hectic
international schedule, international schedule,
international schedule,
gives
keeps
gives solo performance, gives solo performances, solo performances
performances.
at regular concerts. At regular concerts. If you don't know any spelling, ask me.
Okay, ma'am.
At regular concerts.
Then, ma'am.
Full stop. Apart from this, apart from this,
Apart from this,
she gives
she gives
free concerts
free concerts
in prisons, in prisons,
in prison, in
and
prisons
and
and
hospitals.
hospitals.
She also
She also
accords
got
high
accord
priority, high priority
high priority
to classes
to classes
for
for
young generation. Sorry, young musicians. Young musicians.
young musicians. Young musicians.
Okay.
Then
And what is the next question? Name the various pieces of done. How does Evelyn hear music? Okay, this is a big question. You have to write it in 100 to 150 words. Can you say me it shortly, not in 100 or 150 words? Just say me in 2 3 lines first. You can see the text.
Ma'am, Evelyn hear music
Hmm?
by her body and mind to sounds and vibrations.
Yes, yes. Means she didn't hear it. She just felt it. She used to feel it. Then she used sense the notes through different parts of her body, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But you have to write it in a expanded manner because it is a big question of 100 to
Okay.
150 words. If you can write, you can write, or I will make you write.
Okay, ma'am.
Will you be able to write it in your own?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please write then. Answer. Just this question because this is a big question. You just write it. If in exam I give any big question, I will only give 1 or 2 questions, not more than that. I will only give short questions of 1 or 2 marks.